My name is Dr. Cody Laverdiere. I practice at Bend, Oregon location in Central and Eastern Oregon. Vein care is such a unique specialty in that it allows us to really help patients directly in real time. The procedures we perform can really help alleviate these chronic and debilitating symptoms, and patients often get rapid relief and have drastic improvement in their daily life and their activities that bring them happiness. I think my favorite part of vein medicine and treating vein patients, honestly, is when I see them after the procedures. I love seeing the improvement that we can make in their lives and in their daily symptoms, and bring them the happiness that they each enjoy and deserve. I think a common misperception I see is vein symptoms are often not severe and debilitating. They're more these moderate, chronic, achy, heavy, throbbing type symptoms where patients commonly tell me, I thought my legs were just getting old. It's not going to be this excruciating type pain. And once we alleviate those symptoms that they come in with, they always tell me my legs feel 20 years younger than what I thought they could feel like. So I think that's the common misperception, is these symptoms don't have to be excruciatingly painful. And in fact, the majority of the time they are not. I think our presence in general in the office, we try and create a family and welcoming environment. But I understand, I mean, patients come in and they think, what we're going to do is a big operation or a big procedure. And often it's easier than getting your teeth cleaned. And so I think usually we see patients are very nervous for that first procedure. And then when we see them for their second procedure on their other leg, they're calm, they're relaxed, they're much more comfortable. So really it's just identifying, their anxiety surrounding the procedure and giving them any support they need to feel comfortable. I find analogies to be very helpful. I often relate venous disease to highway traffic and traffic jams and roadblocks and different routes and avenues. And so I find it easier to explain complex venous anatomy when we relate it to something that is an everyday experience, such as driving your car or using various highways and roads. I think the number one measurement is the patient. We see them at their 2-week post-op follow-up, and if they're happy, their symptoms are reduced, and they're overall pleased with the outcomes, I think that's the gold standard. Now, we also need objective evidence, and so we do ultrasound imaging as well to assess for the veins that we treated, make sure that there's no longer reflux, and make sure the veins are shut down. But I think between using the ultrasound, but also listening to the patient and hearing them tell you how much their symptoms are improved, that's really the main outcome that we strive for. The workup and treatment is easier, quicker, and less invasive than what you think it is. So the vast majority of my patients will come in and tell me, I didn't realize this was such a seamless process. I think patients fear getting their veins treated means a major operation, and they don't realize what we do takes 15 to 20 minutes, and we do it right in the clinic. You walk in, you walk out, you drive yourself home, or just chit-chatting during the whole procedure with minimal pain. And so I think, again, it's getting the patient through the first procedure. Once they've had one procedure, they're as calm and relaxed as they can be. The symptoms don't have to be impressive. That's the biggest thing I see, is every patient tells me, well, I would have come in 5 years ago, but I was waiting for it to get severe, or waiting for an ulcer, or waiting for skin breakdown. A lot of the symptoms of venous disease are crampy, achy, heavy, sore, itching. It's not excruciating leg pain. And so don't ignore those symptoms. If you have any of those, we want to see you, we want to do a workup and take care of you before the disease gets more progressed and more severe.